Tuloy on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Tuloy!
Ah, tumawa. Okay, controls the game. Controls the rebound.
Let's go! Ay, nabakan niyo ako!
It's driving me wild and I don't know why. I can't contain whatever's burning inside. I gotta find a way to figure it out. I found the answers and there ain't no doubt. You got what I'm looking for, yeah, yeah. Looking for what I'm looking for, what I'm looking for. Got what I'm looking for, what I'm looking for. You got that something that I've never known. You've knocked me out on the floor. Got what I'm looking for, what I'm looking for, what I'm looking for. Got what I'm looking for. Got what I'm looking for. Got what I'm looking for.
Compatibility is not about uniformity. Kasi hindi naman talaga kayo magkapareho. Hindi po ba? Iba yung pamamaraan ni Christian sa pamamaraan mo, Gabi. At iba yung pananaw mo, Gabi, sa pananaw ni Christian. But sabi ko nga, always be compatible to one another.
Thank you, Ma, for everything. We love you. Just always watch over us. We love you and we miss you both.
Compatibility is all about acceptance, understanding, and respect.
Sabi ko sa Diyos na sana, eto na po yun. Yung babaeng makakasama ko habang buhay, yung maiintindihan at tatanggapin ako sa kung sino at kung ano ang buhay na meron ako.
Hi, love. Happy 8th anniversary. I'm very grateful that God led us to each other. 8 years has gone by and you're always holding my hand through good and bad times. Thank you for loving me and my family unconditionally. Thank you for paying respects to my papa and kuya before you ask for my hand.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos na ikaw ang binigay niya sa akin. Dahil sa dinami-dami ng pagsubok na dumaan sa akin, napapaisip ko kung ano pa ba ang magiging buhay ko at sinong makakasama ko pagdating ng panahon. At dumating ka na nga.
Feeling that creeps inside. It ain't the fancy kind. It just builds over time. Holds a spirit
Braya!
together in a tear.
Kay Manny maganda, pre.
It's
Uy,
what I
ano, para
got
meron kayo.
inside.
Sponsor
what I'll live and give you all of my life. Honey, I love you like the
Hi love, happy 8th anniversary to us. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sacrifices mo para sa ating dalawa. Sana magustuhan mo ang regalo ko sa'yo. Can't wait to call you Mrs. Meldrana. I love you so much, Christian.
Happy 8th anniversary. I have enjoyed every minute of the 8 years we're together. I love you always and forever. Love, Gabriel. Salamat sa pagpapalaki nyo ng maayos sa akin. Dahil kahit pa paano hindi nyo ako pinabayaan. Mahal na mahal ko kayo.
to believe. Have you ever stopped to notice how two hearts beat?
Love, thank you dahil ikaw yung nagpapatunay na kapag mahal mo ang isang tao, ay hindi mo iintindihin yung mga mali na bagay na meron sa kanya. Ikaw ulit ang bumuhay ng pangarap ko. Na akala ko ay wala na.
It's what I'll live and I'll try to give you all of my life. I love you like the real thing.
Isa lang ang hihilingin ko sa Diyos ay yung i-bless niya yung pagsasama natin na tumagal habang buhay. Araw-araw kitang mamahalin. Happy 8 years anniversary, Mrs. Gabriel Cabrera Beltrano. I love you so much.
Today, I promise that you will not be alone until we're gray and old. I'll stick with you through highs and lows. We'll have a lifetime journey ahead, but I promise that it will be a fun one. I love you always and forever.
Your wrinkles and your scars, you won't have to hide them. Tell me something about your heart and the places on your back leg that you say need surgery. I'll kiss and say